Signs of a toxic family. Family always has your back is a statement that holds true for most of us, but there are dysfunctional families out there, and in some cases even toxic ones. Many families' dynamics do not align well with the definition of family as we know it, and may in fact be toxic. It's important to understand the difference between normal family weirdness and true toxicity. What follows in this video are some of the signs that your family may be truly toxic, and that keeping a healthy distance from them at times could be a pretty good idea. We'll start with visible jealousy. Some healthy competition is fine among family members. However, when you see visible jealousy from your siblings or parents of your successes, your new milestones in life, or finding your life slow, this can be a clear indication of a toxic family. Insensitive overreactions. Sometimes people don't like you no matter what you do for them or how many extra miles you go. If your father is angry when you came in second in the 5th grade instead of first, and continues to overreact when you were just a few minutes late for family dinner, this can be a pretty clear sign that your family dynamics are toxic. Unfair comparisons. Every individual is different, and they all need respect for their individuality and for the choices they make in life. While comparing one sibling with others as far as success, wealth, education, and status is normal, it should not come at the expense of demoralizing, insulting, and demeaning someone and their life choices. Your family shouldn't make you feel useless, frustrated, unhappy, and like a loser. If you can too easily relate to these feelings, know that your family probably is a toxic influence. Crossing personal boundaries. How often have you asked a family member not to show up unannounced, to stay overnight, or to not join an event that you didn't invite them to? Do family members abide by your requests, or do they just continue to do whatever they feel like? If they don't respect your boundaries, they don't respect you. It really can't get much simpler than that when defining a toxic family. Constantly judging you. Just because you failed in your attempt to teach your cats yoga, you're not a loser. You're not a freak just because you identify as a twin-spirit polygamist Wiccan. If your family members don't respect decisions you make for yourself, but instead judge you, then you can be sure your family is toxic. It's never about you. After talking to your sister for 2 hours, you realize she didn't even bother to ask you how you're doing. If your family only remembers you when they need you, or in other words, uses you for their benefit, you don't need any more proof that your family is toxic. Identifying problem dynamics and distancing yourself from toxic family members can be difficult. It's important, though, to recognize your feelings. Do you feel unwanted, unloved, insulted, embarrassed, inappropriately judged, demoralized, discouraged, and emotionally drained? Your family should be your support. If you feel your family is doing just the opposite of that, then you know your family is truly toxic. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to share it with your friends. If you want to be notified of all new videos, also hit the notification button. Thank you.